You've probably heard the question 100 times. Will crypto replace the US dollar? It sounds dramatic, almost impossible, yet every month the conversation gets louder. From Bitcoin ETFs to government-backed digital currencies, it's clear something big is happening. So today, let's break down what the future of money in America really looks like, and whether your dollars could eventually become digital. Right now, the US dollar is still the king of global finance. It's the world's reserve currency, the preferred choice for international trade, and the backbone of the American economy. But quietly, in the background, a new system has started forming. One that doesn't rely on banks, doesn't need the Federal Reserve, and operates 24/7 across the world without permission. That system is crypto. But here's the truth many people don't want to hear. Crypto isn't just internet money anymore. It's becoming infrastructure. Hedge funds hold it. Wall Street trades it. Major corporations store it on their balance sheets. And foreign governments are exploring it as an alternative to US influence. This isn't a small trend. It's a shift in monetary power. Could crypto actually replace the dollar in America? To answer that, we need to zoom out. Throughout history, money has changed many times. Gold coins, paper notes, credit cards, online banking. Each time, people doubted the transition. And each time, the shift happened anyway. Money evolves when technology evolves. And crypto is simply the next evolution. But let's be real. The US government is not going to let an unregulated digital currency take over its monetary system. The dollar gives America power, political power, financial power, and global strength. Replacing it would be like replacing the engine of the world's most powerful economic machine. So no, crypto isn't going to kill the dollar, at least not in the near future. However, here's the twist. Even if crypto doesn't replace the dollar, it can transform how Americans use money. And that shift has already started. More people now prefer digital payments over cash. Millennials and Gen Z are investing in Bitcoin more than stocks. Companies like PayPal, Stripe, and Cash App already allow crypto transactions. And in 2025, with crypto-friendly political momentum rising, businesses are preparing for a future where digital assets sit right next to traditional currencies. But the biggest change might come from the US government itself. The Federal Reserve has been studying something called a CBDC, a central bank digital currency, basically a digital version of the dollar fully controlled by the government. Unlike Bitcoin, it wouldn't be decentralized. It would be programmable money with instant transactions and complete oversight. For the government, that's a dream. For privacy? Maybe not. That if a digital dollar launches, it won't replace physical cash immediately. But it could become the default way Americans receive paychecks, pay taxes, or get government benefits. Imagine receiving your tax refund instantly instead of waiting weeks. Or buying groceries with a government-backed digital wallet. That's the future the Fed is preparing for. Where does crypto fit into this future? Think of it like email and social media. They didn't replace phone calls. They added more ways to communicate. Crypto won't replace the dollar. It'll become another layer of the financial system. A parallel track. A digital option. Crypto could become the preferred store of value, like digital gold. The dollar could remain the main currency for everyday spending. And stablecoins, crypto tied to the dollar, might become the bridge between the two worlds. In fact, stablecoins are already showing the government what the future could look like. Instant payments, 24/7 transfers, no banks required. This is why the real question isn't, will crypto replace the dollar? It's, will America allow money to evolve fast enough to stay ahead of the world? China already has a digital currency. Europe is building one. If the US moves too slowly, it risks losing technological leadership and financial dominance. Now here's the part most people miss. The generation that grew up with the internet is entering peak earning years. They value speed, transparency, low fees, and freedom from outdated banking rules. Crypto gives them that. The dollar, not so much. Culture changes money before governments do. And the cultural shift is already here. What does the future of money in America look like? Picture a hybrid world. You're paid in digital dollars. You invest in Bitcoin as a long-term asset. You use stablecoins for instant payments. Your bank account might live on a blockchain. Taxes could be collected automatically during transactions. And cross-border payments could take seconds instead of days. Crypto won't remove the dollar from the throne, but it will force the dollar to evolve or get left behind. And here's the big takeaway. Whether you support crypto or hate it, the financial system is changing. Slowly at first, then all at once. The question is not whether the future of money will be digital. The question is, will you be prepared for it? If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more videos on the future of finance, crypto, and the US economy, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us reach more people and keep producing these deep dive explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.